So, more than a decade ago, cognitive scientists at Vanderbilt University found that what distinguished young adults from children was not the ability to retain facts or apply prior knowledge to a new situation, but a quality they called preparation for future learning. The researchers asked fifth graders and college students to create a recovery plan to protect bald eagles from extinction. Shockingly, the two groups came up with plans of similar quality, although the college students had better spelling skills. So, from the standpoint of a traditional educator, this outcome indicated that schooling had failed to help students think about ecosystems and extinction, which are major scientific ideas. The researchers decided to delve deeper, however. So they asked both groups to generate questions about important issues needed to create recovery plans. On this task, they found large differences. College students focused on critical issues of interdependence between eagles and their habitats, what type of ecosystem supports eagles, and what different kinds of specialists are needed for different recovery areas. Fifth graders, on the other hand, tended to focus on features of individual eagles. For example, how big are they and what do they eat? So the college students had cultivated the ability to ask questions, the cornerstone of critical thinking. They had learned how to learn. Museums and other institutions of informal learning may be better suited to teach this skill than elementary and secondary schools. At the Exploratorium in San Francisco, they recently studied how learning to ask good questions can affect the quality of people's scientific inquiry. Asking juicy questions appears to be a transferable skill for deepening collaborative inquiry into the science content found in exhibits. So, informal learning environments tolerate failure better than schools. Perhaps many teachers have too little time to allow students to form and pursue their own questions and too much ground to cover in the curriculum and for standardized tests. But people must acquire this skill somewhere. Our society depends on them being able to make critical decisions about their own medical treatment, say, or what we must do about global energy needs and demands. For that, we have a robust informal learning system that eschews grades, takes all comers, and is available even on holidays and weekends. And this is what we try to do through Soul. Make our students realize that asking the right questions and learning how to ask the right questions can lead them to finding the answers they want.